Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by closing Visual Studio and any related developer tools so files won't be locked. Once done, export your settings and backup projects. You'll need these later. Make sure to run as an administrator and create a Windows restore point in case you need to roll back. Then open Settings apps to begin uninstalling core components. This first pass removes the main program shell while leaving some workloads and SDKs for the next steps. Next, open the Visual Studio installer and explicitly uninstall each workload and individual component. This avoids orphan packages. Then go to Programs and Features and remove Microsoft. Net SDK, C++ redistributables, and Windows SDK entries that Visual Studio installed. Once done, run disk cleanup and remove temporary files. Also check program data and app data for Visual Studio folders and delete them. Finish by running the official cleanup utilities. Install cleanup. exe or use the VS setup executable with /uninstall/force to purge remaining bits. Then carefully remove Visual Studio registry keys under HKLM and HKCU if you're comfortable. Export keys first. Restart Windows to complete service and driver unloads, then verify no Visual Studio files or services remain. If reinstalling, restore your exported settings. Troubleshooting tip: if uninstall stalls, boot to safe mode or use system, restore to revert to the earlier restore point you created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.